Another problem on list, that is list operations palindrome. Here is the respective problem description and the problem statement for you. Check whether a given list is a palindrome list or not. So that is our problem. We shall have to define the predicate palindrome which will be operated on list. A list is a palindrome if it reads the same in the forward and in the backward direction. So this is the definition of a palindrome list. So now to clear up our doubts, let us go through one example. For example, MADAM is a palindrome list because if we read MADAM, the sequence of these items will remain same if you read the list from the backward to the first. So MADAM. So that's why it is a palindrome list. So it will be a very simple Prolog program. Try to write the code yourself. Try to write the respective code so that you can check whether a given list is palindrome or not, and the predicate will put the output true or fail or yes or no to indicate that it is a palindrome list or it is not a palindrome list. So try to write the code yourself just now. Otherwise, the demonstration is always there for you. In this program, we shall check whether a given list is palindrome or not. Palindrome list means the reverse of the list will be the list itself. So this is the program. So palindrome list, if list reverse is the same, that is list will be the input list and this list will be the reverse list, and if they are same, then the list will be known as the palindrome list. And here we have declared the list reverse clause. So when the list is empty, then the reverse list will be also empty. And this is my first, and this is my rest, and this is my reversed as output variable. List reverse will be if the rest reverse is the reversed rest, and if we do the concatenation of the reversed rest and the first, and if we get the reversed, then that is the reverse list of the given list. So here we have written the clause for the concatenation. So now let us go for the execution of our code. So here you see, here we are having this one, that is our listing of the code, and this is the palindrome checking. So A, B, C, D, C, B, A. So this is the list given, and let us check whether this list is palindrome or not. Yes, the list is palindrome because its reverse list is the list itself. So I can also go for the checking. So if you go for reverse of this list, then I'm going to get the same list after being reversed. So now if you put another element here, then it is telling that this list is not the reverse list. So that's why the reverse list is not the same as the main list. So that's why it is not a palindrome. So in this way we have checked whether a given list is palindrome or not. Thanks for watching this.